And Andrew, tell me about the products you make.
We've got a range of household cleaning products and good for commercial practices as well. A couple of surface sprays and a great laundry powder.
And what's special about them? Why did you start to make this product in the first place?
We started making them because we had a need ourselves. Tracy, my partner, was getting a bit sensitive to some of the supermarket style cleaners, so we had a need to have a nice natural cleaner for ourselves. We handed them out to our family and friends, and before you knew it, we needed to start a business up.
Yep, and it's gone well for you?
It has gone well, and part of the reason for being at the expo is we're based in Hobart, and we want to get it onto the Big Island so everyone can have a clean conscience.
So what makes your product different from the product of everyone else, let's say?
We've got all our ingredients are listed on the labels, and they're nice simple recipes, and they work really well.
Yep. And the sorts of ingredients that you use, obviously they're kind to the skin and kind, but they still work.
Yep, we've spent a lot of time researching, so we've gone to the trouble of using Tasmanian spring water, so there's no chlorine or fluoride. We're using products such as sodium bicarb, soda, ash, Castile soap from olive oil, and whatever it is, we can get the most natural.
Yep. So your products are as natural as they can be.
Yep. There's no synthetic, no man-made, and no nasty chemicals involved.
Do you put fillers in them? Because of course fillers are one of the things that they add a lot to commercial cleaning products.
No. What you read on the label is what's there. So the laundry powder, you're probably using about half the amount that you'd use with other types of laundry powders, because it's a concentrate with no fillers or builders.
And so what's the story? Is it biodegradable as well?
With the biodegradability, it's all natural as what we can do. Obviously the sodium bicarb and that is a mineral based product, so it won't really change its substances at all.
And with the concern about shortages of water, more and more people are using grey water to water their gardens. Is this something you can do with your product?
Yep, the laundry powder is great because it's mainly sodium bicarb, light soda ash and pure soap powder. There's no other salts or phosphorus or potassium or other big words added to our recipes.
And what are your plans for the future?
Well, hopefully we can get everyone hearing about Clean Conscience and get it into a lot more stores and getting people cleaning the houses naturally.
That's great. Thank you very much, Andrew.
No worries. Thank you, Roger.